right here. This is Solid Wake 5. This is a fellow who literally got caught on YouTube with fake receipts. He had fake receipts. Oh, forgot, court date coming up for you soon, buddy. Real soon. I don't even need a lawyer for that one. We have so much evidence against these guys. We don't even need lawyers. When we do need a lawyer for the slandering for the copyrights, we do need that lawyer for that one. That's a different trial. But anyway, for this right here, this is an easy trial. This is a fellow by the name of Solid Wake 5 who got caught with fake receipts, fake emails, fake unboxing. It was pretty sad, very, very pitiful. And also too, in these demonstrations, you will see him trying to remove the evidence off his account. Also took his picture right next to the receipts, which is interesting. This is the If it's from Crystal Edge Technology Screens, wait. You messed up big time. You just messed up. We don't ship anything by Crystal Edge Technology Screens. He said from Crystal Edge Technology Screens, right? That's the end of it, right? That's the email, right? Our email address is Emerge 4K Cinema. You're busted. We don't use Crystal Edge. We have two separate emails. We use Emerge 4K Cinema. That's what we use. From? Oh, you messed up. You messed up big time. Not only do we got you, this is the reason why. You doctored your email, idiot.